Hello and thanks for watching this video. Welcome to our channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. We are Details, and today we're going to be giving you the details on the Luxor Resort and Casino, Las Vegas. The Luxor Hotel is one of the last remaining hotels that has a theme, which I really like. If you haven't already guessed it, the theme for this hotel is going to be Egypt. We are going to be starting off today's tour in the lobby, which is also going to be where you'll find reception, bell desk, and the big chill, which is where you can get adult slushies. We are not going to be turning around and making our way upstairs to the upper level, where you won't find any gambling, but you will find lots of food and some entertainment options. Immediately to the right, when you exit the escalator, you're going to find Diablo's. And immediately to the left of that, you will find the box office, where you can get tickets to the Blue Man Group. In the atrium showroom, you will find the long-running residencies of Carrot Top and Fantasy. And to the left of that, you'll find Play, which was under construction the last time we did an update here, so let's go inside. So Play is basically just a giant playground for adults. You do have to be 21 years or older to enter. General admission is going to be $37, and that includes access to all games and credits to 12 games of your choosing. If you wanted to do some shopping, you could take this walkway over to the Mandalay Place, which is where you're going to find your high-end shops. But we're not going shopping today, so let's continue our tour. The Luxor is currently home to two exhibitions. One is the Titanic and the other is the Bodies exhibition. Right past King Tut's gift shop is the food court, where you'll find Nathan's hot dogs, Starbucks, original chicken tender, Johnny Rockets, and some New York pizza. This is Particle Inc., which is also new to the Luxor Hotel. It offers two different types of shows. Now we're going to be making our way back downstairs, which is where we're going to find the casino. In the center of the casino floor, you'll find Centra, which is a bar and lounge. On the left side of the casino, you'll find Flight, which is another bar. Next to Flight is Public House, which serves American-style food, so nachos, burgers, and beers. To the right of that is going to be their gaming room. And then a little bit farther down from there, you will find Tender, another bar and lounge. On the opposite end of the casino floor, you'll find Backstage Deli, which is going to be your quick pickup food items. So sandwiches, yogurts, parfaits, sodas. A little bit hidden towards the back of the casino, you're going to find the buffet sign. You're going to take the escalators down to the actual buffet. If you haven't seen our video on that, we'll link it up above. And then our very last option for sit-down eating is going to be Pyramid Cafe. They're going to serve American cuisine. Near the pool and guest parking structure, you're going to find a Starbucks and a Blizz self-serve frozen yogurt. The Luxor also features a full-service salon and spa. There's ample space at the pools at the Luxor. There are different pools that you can choose from, and shade is limited. Inside the pool area, there is a pool store as well as a pool bar. And that's going to do it for our tour of the Luxor Hotel and Casino Las Vegas. Please check out our other room tours and resort tours on our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.